This is your gray story, page 256. 256. This is in Story 7, Samsam Needs a Job, page 256. Part 5, Dictation. Listen and finish the sentences. Number 1. Samsam needs a job. Samsam needs a job. Number 2, she reads the job ads. She reads the job ads. Number 3, she gets dressed. She gets dressed. Number 4, her clothes are neat and clean. Her clothes are neat and clean. Her clothes are neat and clean. Number 5, she visits many stores. She visits many stores. Number 6, she speaks to the manager. She speaks to the manager. Number 7, she speaks to many managers. She speaks to many managers. May I have an application, please? May I have an application, please? Number 9, this manager is mean. This manager is mean. Number 10, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Number 11, speak clearly. Speak clearly. Number 12, this manager is not nice. This manager is not nice. Number 13, you don't have experience. You don't have experience. You don't have experience. Number 14, how will Samsam get a job? How will Samsam get a job? How will Samsam get a job? When you finish, please take a picture and send it to me.